Hello and welcome to the Ask Porter AI briefing. In this series, we are going to dive into the most pressing issues facing the property and housing sectors today and explore how artificial intelligence and cutting-edge technology can provide solutions. We'll be tackling everything from new regulatory challenges to transforming the tenant experience and revolutionizing maintenance. In this episode, we're going to discuss the shift from traditional reactive maintenance to a data-driven proactive approach. It will explain how AI can predict potential failures, optimize repair schedules, and save a property owner significant time and money on emergency repairs. For a busy facilities manager, what is the most significant time-saving benefit of using AI and tech to automate maintenance, scheduling, and task assignment?
So I think the biggest time-saving benefit comes from using the right tools. Many teams are either stuck with large, inflexible systems, or the smaller ones are trying to manage maintenance through spreadsheets and calendars. The real opportunity, in my view, is using the best tools for each job, but making sure that the tools are properly connected into a well-formed ecosystem. When systems work as one, AI can prioritize work, assign tasks, and remove a huge amount of manual coordination, leading to huge efficiency gains.
How do you think that the maintenance landscape will change over the next 5 years?
So I think facilities teams have talked about preventative maintenance for years, but in practice, it's mostly been pretty calendar-based and manual. What we're seeing now is the change to towards genuinely predictive maintenance. So technology and AI can analyze patterns across assets, across jobs and usage, and adapt plans in real time. This helps teams to prevent failures rather than just respond to them.
What is the most common challenge you hear facilities managers face when it comes to maintenance?
Thing is, the biggest challenge is being expected to do more with less. Teams are smaller due to labor constraints in the market, systems are more and more complex, and compliance requirements keep increasing. And yet, a huge amount of time is still spent reacting to issues. I think that combination leaves very little space for planning or improvement, even for really well run teams.